Hello, sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I am super excited to share with you today my project using Scrapdiva design dies. It came out so adorable, and I'm just thrilled with it and can't wait to share it with you. I'm going to show you the dies that I used in this project. I will have links to the dies in the description box below, and they are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything when you use it, but it does help me in my channel and I appreciate it so very much. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. So let me go ahead and share with you the dies that I used. This is called the 3D Bond box set. And the dies, you get several dies with this. You get it on 2 sheets, as you can see here. This is your roof. You'll need to cut 2. These are the sides of your barn. You'll need to cut 2. It does come with a stitched edge, so you can cut that on designer paper. You also get this piece right here, which is the backing to your barn door. You're gonna cut 2 of these for your barn, and then you get the designer paper stitched die. And then this is a small window with the backing. This is the window that goes with this backing, or I should say door. This is the bottom of your barn box, and you also get a stitched piece for that. And these are for your roof. So super cute die. I really love it, and I can't wait to show you what I made with it. And I have a ruler here because I'm going to measure it and tell you how big the box is. It is pretty large. So the other dies that I used is the cute cow, and I showed you this die before, and the cute horse, and also the cute pig. So I made 3 barn boxes and I put a different animal on each one. The next one I have is this one here, which is the triple star bow. This die comes with 2 size bows and also a stitched edge that you can layer your bow, and I'll show you that bow on the box in a moment. So you get 2 sizes with that. It's a really pretty bow. Then we have the lowercase alphabet, and I did put the word farm on my box, so I used ARM on this set right here, and it does come with a $sign, an and sign, and some parentheses, as well as your lowercase alphabet. And then I used the F in the uppercase alphabet, and with this die you get 1 through 0, which you can make 10, so you can make any kind of numbers with that. And then you also get a question mark. It looks like an exclamation point and some parentheses on this one. So I do love these because you can make whatever words you want to put on your projects. So before I show you my project, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your comments and support. So we're going to pull the projects in, and I'll show you the first one. So I had some of this paper that looked like wood that I got from Hobby Lobby a while ago, and you can see how cute this box is. And let me just pan out a little bit for you. Here we go. You can see more of the box. Here are the windows. So I put 2 windows on either of the short side. This is the front, and I put little banners on the barn and the little horse. And I made some sunflowers because I thought the sunflowers looked really great on a red roof. And then here is the bow, and you can see the designer paper that I put on top of the doily part of the bow. And I have a little clothespin that holds my barn top roof together. And here is the word farm. And I have it just plain in the back here. And you open it up and there's lots and lots of room inside for your gift. It'll fit quite a bit of stuff. So let me give you the measurements on this. So it is 4 by 4. And it is, let's see how tall, 5 inches tall. So it's really, really big. You can fit a lot in here. So that's number 1. And then I have some black and white check paper. I also got this at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I like this. And I did purposely get this for farmhouse type of projects, and these are super cute if you want to give this to someone who has a farmhouse decoration in their home. And here you can see the bow. This one I did a black roof. I did the farm in red, and I backed the windows in red as well as the door, and I put a little pig on him and sunflowers also on the roof. And this one I actually did cover the inside as well, because this paper was kind of thin. So with covering the inside as well as the outside, it actually bulked up the box and didn't make it so flimsy. So there's like 3 layers of paper, so it's nice and sturdy and really, really cute. I love the little pig. And then the last one I have is this one here. This one is decorated a lot more. This is a junk journal kit that has several pieces of ephemera and papers and things like that from my shabby boutique, it's called. And this is from my craft room, which is a subscription to my shabby boutique. And I did make an album, so I wanted to make a little box also, because I'm putting some Happy Mail together and I'm using this set for that. And so this comes in the ephemera, and it says Sunshine Farm. And I don't know if you remember, but the album I made, I had this on top of the it was called a shop box that we had, a shop front type of box. And then I cut out the ephemera. It has butterflies in it. There's the bow. And here is the cow. And I got a little banner on there. And I put some flowers there. And this is what the back looks like. And the side on this one. So this one is really decorated more than the others, and I like it. I think it's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed my project share today. I had so much fun making these. They kind of reminded me of the houses that I had made several years ago. You can do so many different themes with these. It's so adorable. I really love this little die set. And if you have any questions, oh, I forgot to give you, no, I gave you the directions, not directions, but the measurements on it. I wanted to make sure I did. So it's 4 by 4 by 5 inches tall. So again, hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know. Hey, we made it through the tropical storm just fine. We had quite a few puddles. We had 3 days of rain. We have a few branches down, but not bad. I had to take care of my granddaughters because the daycare was shut down, what have you. And I'm back to crafting again. So hope you enjoyed this. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.